Can you tell me your name?
My name is Leon Burks,
And how old are you?
80 years old,
What condition were you being treated for?
COPD. I had lung cancer 10 years ago, and I had COPD real bad after that, and I was being treated for that.
Okay, before you went to this particular clinic, what were you doing to treat your COPD?
I used those little puffers, Advair, and another one, I don't remember the name of it, when I couldn't get my breath, when I get real short on breath, and they did help for a few minutes, but just temporarily.
How are you feeling before going to treatment? Yes.
Well, I had a hard time getting around. I didn't have enough breath to hardly get in and out of the car.
What made you decide to get adult stem cell therapy?
My son, he is the doctor that did it, and he's the one that decided for me.
How are you feeling before the treatment?
Well, I didn't have enough air to get by on. I was very weak, I was feeble, and couldn't get any work done without stopping and resting every few minutes.
How long ago was your treatment?
In July.
So after you had adult stem cell treatments from this program, how are things different now?
Very much different. I can breathe without a lot of effort. Before I couldn't. It was a strain just to breathe, and when I tried to do something anywhere near strenuous, I couldn't get it done without stopping and resting.
Can you tell me about the symptoms that have changed since treatment?
Well, shortly after I got back home to Louisiana, I was doing some work, and I don't remember what it was. I think I was changing the tubes on my tractor, and which is pretty good job for an 80-year-old man. And I realized that I was doing that, where before I would have to stop and rest every few minutes. I was doing it, and I was breathing. I didn't have to strain to breathe, and it's been that way ever since.
How do you feel about the medical staff?
Well, they're the greatest people in the world. I think they probably saved the rest of my life.
What is emotionally different in you before and after the treatment?
Well, I feel much better about myself than I did then. I feel a lot better, and in fact, I'm a whole different person. I spent 10 years after surgery struggling just to get back on my feet. I don't have to do that anymore. I can do what I want to.
Was any part of having the treatment scary?
No, it wasn't scary. I doubted it for a while, but it worked, and I don't doubt it anymore.
What would you say to people considering treatment?
If there's any way on earth they can do it, I would recommend it to anybody that has COPD. I don't know about the other treatments, what else it does, but I know what it did for mine. I would recommend it highly.